Imagine in the vast expanse of our universe, amidst billions of galaxies, we find evidence of life, not on a distant exoplanet, but on one of Jupiter's moons, Europa. The possibility of extraterrestrial life has long captivated our imaginations, from H.G. Wells' Martians in War of the Worlds to the little green men of pop culture. We've always been intrigued by the question, are we alone in the universe? But the search for life beyond Earth is not confined to the realm of science fiction. It's a scientific pursuit, grounded in the reality of our ever-expanding knowledge of the cosmos. Now let's shift our gaze closer to home, to the icy moon of Jupiter, Europa. It's not as famous as Mars or as striking as Saturn's rings, but Europa holds a certain allure for scientists. This frozen celestial body, slightly smaller than Earth's moon, may seem barren and inhospitable on the surface, but beneath its icy shell, things get interesting. Believe it or not, Europa is believed to harbor a subsurface ocean containing twice the volume of all Earth's oceans combined. This isn't a frigid, lifeless ocean either. It's likely warm, kept heated by the tidal forces of Jupiter's immense gravity. Imagine that, a warm, vast ocean hidden beneath a moon's icy surface in the cold darkness of space. What's more, this ocean is not isolated from the moon's surface. The ice shell covering it is fractured, allowing the ocean below to interact with the surface above. This means that the essential ingredients for life as we know it, liquid water, energy, and the right chemical elements, could all be present and interacting on Europa. So, what would it mean if we found life there? It would be monumental. It would redefine our understanding of life's resilience and adaptability. It would provide a powerful affirmation of the theory that where there's water, there might be life. If we discover life on Europa, it will revolutionize our understanding of our place in the universe. The quest to find life on Europa is not a new one. For decades, scientists have been intrigued by this icy world. Our search for extraterrestrial life has led us to the farthest reaches of our solar system, and Europa, one of Jupiter's largest moons, has persistently held our attention. Sitting more than 390 million miles away from our home planet, this icy celestial body is a beacon of hope in our quest to find life outside Earth. In the late 20th century, the Galileo spacecraft embarked on a mission to Jupiter and its moons, a journey that would change our understanding of Europa forever. Galileo's magnetometer, a device used to measure magnetic fields, picked up signs of an induced magnetic field at Europa, a clear indication of a subsurface salty ocean. This discovery, made towards the close of the 90s, marked a significant turning point, suggesting that Europa might have the necessary conditions to harbor life. Fast forward to the present, our fascination with Europa has not waned. In fact, it has spurred on the planning and development of an exciting new mission, the Europa Clipper. Set to launch in 2024, this mission aims to delve deeper into the mysteries of Europa. Armed with a suite of scientific instruments, the Clipper will orbit Jupiter, making numerous close flybys of Europa. Its primary goal? To investigate Europa's habitability. The Clipper will scrutinize the moon's ice shell and underlying ocean, looking for signs of chemical ingredients necessary for life. It will also scout for suitable landing sites for future lander missions. Every bit of data gathered will be a piece added to the puzzle, inching us closer to understanding whether this icy moon could indeed support life. So, what drives us to invest so much time, effort, and resources into this quest? The answer, though complex, can be distilled to a simple phrase. A question that has echoed through the ages and continues to captivate us. Are we alone in the universe? These missions have one goal in mind, to answer the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? When we talk about life on Europa, we're not necessarily talking about little green men or towering aliens. We're considering the possibility of something much more fundamental and perhaps even more fascinating. Let's delve into a realm where science fiction meets reality, a realm where life as we know it could be redefined. Imagine, for a moment, the microscopic world. It's a realm where organisms, so tiny yet so resilient, thrive. On Earth we have extremophiles, organisms that flourish in what we perceive as the harshest conditions. They inhabit the deepest trenches of the oceans, the boiling hot springs, the freezing cold of the Arctic, and even the radiation-soaked remnants of Chernobyl. In the icy depths of Europa's subsurface ocean, we might find similar life forms. These potential Europan inhabitants might be like our Earth's extremophiles, evolved to thrive in the extreme cold and darkness, under immense pressure, and in the absence of sunlight. Now let's take a leap of imagination and consider the concept of a second genesis. This term denotes the notion of life that evolved entirely independently from life on Earth. It's a tantalizing proposition. If we were to discover life on Europa, it wouldn't necessarily mean that it shares a common ancestor with us. It could be an entirely new tree of life with a completely different biochemistry, perhaps even based on elements other than carbon. So, when we talk about life on Europa, we're talking about the potential for incredible diversity, for a new understanding of what it means to be alive. We're talking about organisms that could redefine our perspective on life and its potential to thrive in the universe. This is not about finding ET or encountering alien civilizations. It's about something much more profound, the question of our singularity in the universe. It's about life in its simplest and most complex forms, about the resilience of organisms and the vastness of evolutionary possibilities. The discovery of even the simplest forms of life on Europa would be a monumental breakthrough. It would not only expand our understanding of life, but also perhaps show us that we are not alone in the universe. The implications of discovering life on Europa would be profound and far-reaching. In the realm of science, this discovery would propel us into a new era of understanding. It would confirm that life can flourish not only on our home planet, but also in the harshest environments of our solar system. The existence of life on Europa would not only expand our understanding of biology, but also of astrobiology, the study of life in the universe. It would suggest that life is not a fluke, but a phenomenon that can occur under a variety of circumstances. On the philosophical front, the discovery would prompt us to reassess our place in the universe. We would no longer be the only known life forms in the vast expanse of space. It would challenge our sense of uniqueness and perhaps even our sense of superiority. It would make us realize that we are not alone and that we are part of a larger cosmic community. Religion, too, would have to grapple with this new reality. The discovery of life on Europa could challenge many religious doctrines that assert the special status of human life. It could spur a theological rethink, paving the way for more inclusive, cosmically aware religious perspectives. The discovery could also ignite a new era of space exploration. If life can exist on Europa, where else might it be hiding? This question would spur us on to explore other celestial bodies such as Mars, Titan, and even exoplanets orbiting distant stars. Our search for life would become a central theme of space exploration. And let's not forget the practical implications. Europa's resources could potentially be used to support future space missions. For instance, its ice could be converted into rocket fuel, making it a pit stop for deep space exploration. The discovery of life on Europa would be a game changer, altering our perception of life's uniqueness and ubiquity in the universe. As we stand on the precipice of this potential discovery, we can only imagine what the future holds. We find ourselves in an era of unprecedented celestial exploration. With upcoming missions to Europa and other distant bodies in our solar system, these journeys are not just flights of fancy, but concrete steps towards a broader understanding of our place in the cosmos. The advancements in technology that make these missions possible are nothing short of astounding. Think about it. We are using complex machinery, artificial intelligence, and advanced propulsion systems to travel millions of miles into the vast expanse of space. It's a testament to human ingenuity, all in the pursuit of knowledge and discovery. The future of exploration is not just about what we might find, but about what we can learn and how it can change our perspective. As we continue to explore the cosmos, each new discovery brings us one step closer to answering the question, are we alone?